Hello and welcome. This tutorial will show you how to download videos and music for free step by step. Without further ado, let's begin. If you have already downloaded and installed the program Any Video Converter, please skip to this time. First, open up your internet browser. Then go to google.com and search AVC free. Our search results may differ. However, if you do not see it, the link is in the description. Once on the website, click on the Freeware tab. You will see two download buttons, one for Windows and one for Mac. I am using a Windows computer, so I will click the download button for Windows. Once download has completed, open it and install. Once installation has completed, open AVC. Before we download anything, check where your downloads will go once they are downloaded by opening up your settings. Now find the video or song you would like to download. Copy the video's URL from the browser address bar. Make sure the video is not in a playlist. If it is, you must click share and copy the link. Go back to AVC, click Add URLs. Click the plus sign and paste video URL into box. Then click Start Download. If you only wanted the video in its original form, then there is nothing more for you to do. However, if you want just the audio from the video, you can convert the video into a MP3 file format. Open the conversion drop-down list and select MP3 audio. Then click Convert. If you would like to download multiple videos at once, you can copy link after link into the Add URLs box. You could use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to make things go quicker. You can also convert multiple videos. Check this box if you want it to be converted, uncheck if you do not. press this X button to remove videos from the list if it's getting too crowded. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Shane. And as always, thanks for watching.